Sorry I'm late, very late at that, because Christmas gone long time, like it literally gone from last year. Anyways, let's get right into it. This is all of my Christmas gifts in one little short clip for y'all. Alright, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so the first one on the list is, of course, a block of chocolate. If you know me, you will know what to give me for any kind of occasion, right? Next one. So in this bag we have. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. If you know me, also you know that I will always struggle to open gifts. Yeah, a nice like a fanny pack, side bag, waist bag. You know I wear them all over. Given to me by my best friend's girlfriend. Understand? Yeah, I got that as well at one of them Christmas parties there, right? So of course ice cream has to be in the mix, chocolate has to be in the mix as well, you understand? And then this lovely gift here, this was also purchased by my best friend's girlfriend. Yeah, but it was in a raffle, a part of a raffle at our Christmas dinner. You understand? Listen to me, right now it's January, I shouldn't even be talking about Christmas, but look at that. Look at that. I've been wanting one of these for the longest while. You understand? It's like a whole 10-piece thingy. Me love this. You know, me love this bag. Of course, struggling to open it as usual, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's get into it, alright? And it is glass. Yes, and for the longest while, I have been taking or bringing plastic containers to work with my lunch and all these things, but yeah, nice, lovely, decent gift. And then this Amazon box now, of course, you know me, I am going to purchase a few things of my own. Sometimes some random stuff, but this one was like, I've been waiting on this for the longest while. I've been wanting to get this because I need some muscles and all these things. This one was given to me by one of my recent friends, new friend, Indian friend that I met here. I'm in Canada. Nice little, chocolate bars, all type of chocolate, everything chocolate from Tim Hortons and all these things. Of course, people know me. All right. So this I think is a random gift from. Okay, yeah. So this one is an iPad case. I was trying to find suitable iPad cases for my iPad right there. Yeah, which was also a gift. The iPad wasn't really a Christmas gift per se, but it was a gift from a bank, technically. Of course, there are pros and cons to that situation, but okay, anyhow, yeah. So I was trying to find cases. This is my second case that I bought. Strange enough, I ended up sending back those two cases to Amazon, of course, because I was comfortable with them. They're cute, nice, decent little cases and thing. I used this for a little while, but I ended up changing it as well. But it's nice though. It just didn't have the back to hold the iPad inside. So if I turn it sideways, then the iPad would slide out. But it could like stand up so I can use it like a computer. You understand? Nice like a thing, have a nice like a USB. No adapter, of course, as you know, most of these things don't come with adapter. And then this was a Merry Christmas letter I got from Scotiabank, yeah. So one of my bankers write me, yeah, and had all her staff sign it, of course. But special and big things, you understand? Me love that. And then in this one, let's see what's in here. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Okay, yeah. So this is the official case that I finally decided to stick with. I almost sent it back because it didn't have like the sensor to use for the cursor and whatever. But then the iPad is touchscreen, obviously. So I don't really need the mouse or the sensor thing for the cursor. So it's fine. I actually still do have this one. So I kept this one. It comes with the thing inside to hold the iPad in so it don't fall out, and the keyboard, of course. And this keyboard also has multi light inside, so it's nice, it's not bad. Right, so this is me changing it over. And I'm showing, I'm doing the demonstration, showing you why I literally change it, so you don't say I'm wasting money, because money right now hard to come by, and me don't have it for waste. You understand? But this one makes sense, and like I said before, I kept it. Yeah. Again, here's my gifts. And then more gifts again. This was given to us from the community, from the town. You know, people, they appreciate our service here in the small town, so they tend to give us gifts and all these things. And then in this one now, let me see what's inside this one. Oh yeah, so this one now is my windshield cover, because like, you know, you have to protect your windshield from the sun, and in this case it's from the snow. So that is me doing demonstration again. You know, I'm a barn teacher. Oh my god, me doing the demonstration. You understand? So you put that on, you know, your windshield, and it's ready to go. You slide it off. I slide off. You don't have to be there brushing off ice and all kind of something. You good to go. You're gone. Okay. What next? Let's get right into this one. This one should have a bunch of stuff because it was pretty heavy. Right. So that was me getting my first vacuum for my car. A nice like a handy vacuum, but I don't think I use this vacuum 2 times yet. Yeah. But it's not a waste because it's a nice little handy tool. Right? And then I got a camera. So this is me doing the demonstration again. So of course the video is for the camera. I set up my camera. I don't even have to come outside the house to see if there's snow outside. I just tap on my phone screen and I just look if there's something happening outside with my Tapo camera. Very nice, very handy, very convenient. Comes with plug-in sockets and the wall mounting and all that kind of stuff. And then this one would have been the screen protector for the iPad. Yeah. And of course, this glass screen protector. Of course, knowing me, everywhere I go, I'm going to drop my phone somewhere. I'm going to drop iPad somewhere. Yeah, so I need these things. That was basic, right? If you know me, then you know I'm going to bleach my hair at some point. And then I think this is garbage bags. Yeah. And this is garbage bags for the car as well. Came with 2, but I really need 1 for now. So yeah, that is that. And that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit me up on all socials at King Omario Thee Chef. Bye.